You're running a home service business. Things are hectic. You're juggling estimates, scheduling, invoicing, and maybe even a bit of marketing. Amidst this chaos, you're considering Housecall Pro. But there's one burning question. Does Housecall Pro lock you into a contract? It's a valid concern. Contracts can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, they offer stability. On the other, they can feel like shackles. So let's dive in. First off, the short answer is no, Housecall Pro doesn't force you into a contract. You're free to come and go as you please. That's a huge plus, especially if you're unsure about committing to a long-term software solution. But let's peel back the layers. What does this freedom really mean for your business? Well, it gives you flexibility. You can test drive Housecall Pro without feeling pressured. If it's not the right fit, you can move on without breaking the bank. And if it is, you can commit without hesitation. Now, let's talk about why this no-contract policy is such a big deal. In the world of home service software, contracts are the norm. So Housecall Pro is bucking the trend. And why? Because they're confident in their product. They believe that once you experience the time-saving, money-making magic of Housecall Pro, you won't want to leave. But it's not just about the lack of a contract. It's about the overall value proposition. Housecall Pro offers a suite of features designed to streamline your operations. From job scheduling to invoicing, it's all there. And it's user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to master the system. Let's break down some of the key features. First, there's the scheduling. You can create and manage appointments with ease. No more double bookings or missed opportunities. Then there's the invoicing. Create professional invoices in seconds and get paid faster. And let's not forget about the customer management. Keep track of customer information, history, and preferences. But does it really work? The proof is in the pudding. Countless home service businesses have switched to Housecall Pro and reported increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and higher profits. Now, while Housecall Pro is a fantastic tool, it's not a magic wand. It won't solve all your business problems overnight. You still need to put in the work. But it can certainly make your life a whole lot easier. So, back to the original question. Does Housecall Pro have contracts? No, but it does have a lot to offer. It's a flexible, user-friendly, and effective solution for home service businesses. Whether you're a one-person operation or a growing company, Housecall Pro is worth considering. And remember, you're not locked in. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.